Umkhululi wamaJudiya uthi uGumede akaxolise kuNdlovu kodwa uNdlovu uthi ngeke kwenzeke lokho inkomo ingazala umuntu ungabona amabele enyoka incelisa. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Umkhokha from the 20th to the 24th of May 2024 on Monday. It never rains, it pours for the Gumedes as Mamzobe put her life in danger. The first actions put him at odds with Mkhululi and Nobuntu faces hostility from Ndlovu and Menga on Tuesday. Mamzobe's sins begin to haunt her and she can't take it anymore. Nobuntu tried to apologize to Mabusi but it goes south. The Difa pays back the money but Ndlovu demands a public apology on Wednesday. Mamzobe bears her soul to Spamandla and confesses all her darkest sin. Kulegani and Nomkosi have differing ideas on how to spend their newly found fortune. There is a discontent in the Ndlovu homestead on this day. Siphamandla gives Mamzobe a stern warning not to be baptized tomorrow. Kulegani gets a primetime TV offer from a Christian channel after the success of his YouTube channel. Nobuntu makes an official statement to clear her name from the fraud case on Friday. Mamzobe is in denial about her gravest sin, while Nobuntu is recalled by Menga's phone call and gives Mabusi a perplexing and worrisome instruction. Yabona guys, makunywa ngoNobuntu hayi thina sazi ukuthi kukhulunywa kanjani naye ngoba phela ukhuziwe ngoMenga kodwa inhliziyo yakhe ke isamthanda uMenga. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. Umkhululi wamaJudiya